Today, I'm reviewing the Appliance Wonder Oven. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a kitchen appliance that truly does it all, the Appliance Wonder Oven is one of the most versatile options on the market today. Combining the power of an air fryer, toaster oven, and steam-infused cooking all in one compact, countertop-friendly design, it promises to make your cooking faster, easier, and more flavorful. Let's start with the versatility of this Wonder Oven. It's a 6-in-1 appliance, capable of air frying, toasting, roasting, baking, reheating, and broiling. Whether you're whipping up crispy fries, baking a fresh loaf of bread, roasting a chicken, or reheating leftovers, this single oven can handle it all. The included steam infusion technology takes it a step further, ensuring your food retains moisture, flavor, and aroma for perfect results every time. One of the most impressive features of the Wonder Oven is its rapid preheat and cooking speed. You won't have to wait forever for the oven to reach the desired temperature. It preheats 75% faster and cooks up to 30% faster than traditional ovens, which is a huge time saver for busy households. With a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a 60-minute timer, it's capable of handling nearly any recipe, from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate weekend cooking projects. The design and capacity of the Wonder Oven are also noteworthy. Despite being compact enough to fit comfortably on your countertop, it can roast a full 4.5-pound chicken or handle double the capacity of a standard air fryer. This makes it not only efficient, but also space-saving, a perfect solution for apartments, small kitchens, or anyone looking to reduce clutter without sacrificing performance. Air frying enthusiasts will appreciate the all-around air frying capability. Thanks to 360-degree air circulation, foods cook evenly with a crispy finish using less oil than traditional frying methods. From golden French fries and roasted vegetables to salmon fillets and chicken wings, you can achieve restaurant-quality crispiness right at home, without the extra calories or mess. The steam infusion technology truly sets the Wonder Oven apart. By locking in moisture, it ensures meats stay juicy, bread remains soft inside with a slightly crispy crust, and vegetables retain their natural flavors. This is particularly useful for dishes that are prone to drying out in conventional ovens, making every meal more flavorful and enjoyable. Beyond performance, the aesthetics and usability of the Wonder Oven are impressive. The blue salt color adds a pop of charm to any kitchen, and the intuitive controls make it easy for both beginners and experienced cooks to use. Its compact footprint ensures it won't take over your countertop, yet delivers enough capacity for family meals or small gatherings. In summary, the Appliance Wonder Oven is more than just an air fryer or toaster oven. It's a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse. With rapid preheating, steam infusion, all-around air frying, and the ability to bake, toast, roast, reheat, and broil, it's designed to make cooking faster, easier, and more delicious. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or someone who loves to entertain, this oven provides flexibility, convenience, and professional quality results all in one sleek, countertop-friendly package. If you're serious about streamlining your kitchen and cooking smarter, the Appliance Wonder Oven Blue Salt is a must-have appliance that delivers performance, style, and flavor in every dish.